I'm Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and I am standing here with Mahan, who just closed on a wholesale deal. So we wanted to take 2 seconds out of your day just to tell you all about it. So first of all, Mahan, say hello.
Hey everybody.
Where did you get this deal from?
I posted the ad on Craigslist, then with a link to my website, so they saw the ad and fill out the form on the website and called me, and I called them, set up an appointment.
And was it a local seller?
Yes.
It was a local seller, and you purchased the property for how much, or you contracted it for how much?
I did at $347.
$347, and you assigned it for how much?
$357.
Fantastic. So a $10,000 assignment fee. He just picked up his check today. And where'd you get your buyer from?
I got my buyer from I had a cash buyer list, so I reached out to one of them, and he actually was really interested, set up a time, saw the property, and he partnered up with a lawyer, and they purchased the property.
One last thing. You've already done a few deals. This is your 6th or 7th deal now. If somebody's brand new watching this and they're just getting started, what good information or advice do you have that you'd like to give them?
I would say I would just never give up. I just keep following up with people. I set up as many appointments as I can, so I make a lot of cold calls. I use a software called Spokia, pull out people's phone number, and I cold call all day long.
Fantastic, great advice. That's all we wanted to share with you today. If you're on the fence or you haven't started yet, just like to show you people who are actually doing the business. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Congratulations.
Thank you.